Hello everyone, welcome to Pilotopedia. Now, my dear friends, there are some things in our life which are just not in our control. Things can go wrong even when we are relaxing in a couch at home. Still, I believe that there is a positive side of every happening. Now, in today's NTSB Aviation Accident Report, I detail about a situation that cropped up without anybody's fault. Now, this was a personal cross country flight that went wrong. In the explanation given by the pilot as he was coming in to his destination and preparing to make a water landing in a Seawind 3000, he observed that the light of the right main landing gear MLG was off. He checked the hydraulic pressure gauge, which showed a reading of 0. Several attempts were made by the pilot in obvious response to retract the landing gear, but the situation still remained the same. The pilot decided to work on the problem by moving to a paved runway, and so he flew to a nearby airport that had one. Now, the information provided by the controller at this airport only painted a worse picture of the situation. He was told that the right main landing gear was extended, but it is the left main landing gear and the nose gear that are missing, and that is they are not extended. Now, the pilot had two options. First is to use the manual hydraulic pump and try to extend the landing gears, and unfortunately if that doesn't work out, he will have to land without landing gears, obviously. Now he tried the first option, to to use the manual hydraulic pump, but it did not give out any positive results. Well, he can't stay in the air forever and decided to make a belly landing. Without the landing gear with the landing gear partially retracted, the pilot decided to land at the airport in Ranton, Washington. The right main landing gear of Seawind 3000 touched the runway first. The pilot tried his best to keep the left main wing away from the runway as long as possible. He wanted the speed to bleed and the wing to hit the runway as gently as possible. Just as the wing touched the runway, the aircraft veered off and it came to rest only after it slid on the grass, hitting the airport sign and light and spinning almost 180 degrees. Now, an investigation of the accident revealed that the hydraulic line fitting flare had a crack, which resulted in hydraulic leak and reducing the pressure to 0. This ultimately prevented the landing gear from extending completely. So what was the probable cause of the accident? Loss of hydraulic pressure due to cracked hydraulic fitting flare and failure of landing gear to extend fully. My dear friends, the NTSB identification for this accident is WPR 16LA197. This NTSB Aviation Accident Report is made for educational purpose to let us know what things can go wrong while flying and how we can become a better and safer pilot. So my dear friends, this is all in today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you and happy landings.